Okay, so it seems like I'd like to do this to myself on Sundays when everybody's home, but there's an update. Last night, or oh no, the night before, somebody ran into our mailbox. So Jared had to fix it. And I think some of my plants are dead because of his big fat feet, but I cried, seriously. But you know, I've been waiting all winter for them. So when we drove by and I saw that they were non-existent, I got a little upset. But anyway, let's go see what they look like. This was the hydrangea. Oh, it's just flopping. It's broken right there. Is this one broken? No. Yes, both are broken. Hopefully this is the kind that can be cut all the way down and it lets out new growth. I'm pretty sure the little lime flowers on new growth anyway. Ugh. There's another chunk. Oh man. There's the phlox, it's kind of buried by the sand. Pretty sure there was sage right there. It's gone. There's one sage. The stone crop is okay, but also partially buried. And the other Russian sage is totally broken. There's a huge footprint right there. Maybe I can, nah, probably can't propagate this. Oh man. Ugh. These are mailboxes propped up. So yeah, that breakage was not due to being run over, but to being stomped on when the mailbox was being fixed. And I know you try not to smush anything, but I'm sad. There is some good news though. I lifted the clematis, the sweet autumn clematis, the one we planted between the two garage doors, and there's like a little bit of growth, so I'll show you. There it is. Ugh. And there's even some growth of delphinium right there. It looked better the other day, but it's been really cold and no snow covering it. But the growth of the clematis is, or was, let's see if it's still there. Oh, there. Oh, it's kind of dead actually. Oh, there it is. Yes. So, I'm just gonna let that be. Keep this covering it. Hopefully it survives. You're supposed to cut it to It's so beautiful. It smells really good too. So that's some bad news and some good news.